What's going on, everybody? Too Late on Two Wheels here with an unboxing of Ruroc's brand new Berserker helmet. Fun fact, I was supposed to have this thing 2 weeks ago, but for whatever reason, DHL decided to hold it in Cincinnati because they thought it was full of drugs. So here we are. The video is coming out on the day the helmet is released. This video is going to come out on July 28th. This helmet is available on July 28th. So it kind of works. It'd have been nice to have it earlier, but what can we do? The universe is crazy. But I have wanted this freaking helmet since I've made my first video. It was a moto vlog like 3 years ago where Ruroc was like, we make snowboard helmets, but we're gonna make a motorcycle helmet and a dual sport helmet. And I was wearing the Icon variant then. This helmet reminds me of that. I'm gonna stop cutting this box up. Also, I'm gonna brag camera 1, 2, and 3. Okay, official unboxing, here we go, fam. This also just proves to you guys, I hear a lot of you guys in the comments say, my Rurocs take forever to get in. Mine do too, bro. I'm right there with you, okay? I'm a freaking sponsored rider guy, and mine are hard to get in, so I hear you. No, this is funny. See, here's the thing. Ruroc was doing the promotion thing of like, here's this little card with an exclamation, with a question mark on it. Will be revealed on the 5th. I have a shitty knife, whatever. Also, just so you guys know, the value I put on my first reactions to shit, I have not researched anything about this, and I haven't watched any other unboxings, any other reviews, because I want it to be authentic. I want you guys to appreciate this moment with me. So, Berserker, here we go, fam. All right, Berserker, we got the thing. I don't care about that or that. That? I do. It's an info sheet. We're gonna read that in a second. I'm gonna hold on to that. Man, I'm excited to be back in a helmet with like a little visor thing at the top. This is so cool. You guys truly have no idea how excited I am for this helmet. My God. When my guy at Ruroc was like, hey, we got this new helmet dropping, and I was like, oh cool, what you got? Like, I thought it was more colorways, which are available now, but I didn't know it was this. So when he sent me the photos, I was like, bro, all right. That is the coolest shit ever. Okay, so this does seem, wait, hold on, we got more stuff in here. They just put the goggles inside? Okay, cool, hold on, let's just put the Berserker there. Let's see what other colors we got, because you guys should know me by now, clear visors are a no-go. Thank you, Ruroc. I appreciate. Oh wow, we've got every single one of them. Okay, fair. I have to open every one of these now. Holy visor, Batman. Okay, we're just gonna keep them like that. I have a really cool shot that I'm gonna do with this and the visors. Back to the helmet. So shape-wise, it looks really close to the Atlas 1.0. Actually, I've got an Atlas 1.0 right behind me, hold on. All right, so this is the Atlas 1.0. This is the Berserker 1.0. Okay, so something I've been curious about is how do these goggles work? Do they just, oh, okay, interesting here. We have D-ring. We don't have my beautiful friend, the maglock thing. Interesting, so I'm curious to talk with Ruroc. Why did they decide to go D-ring instead of fidlock? Here, let's move this out of the way. The Atlas 1.0 is not not the big dog today. If you guys don't know, the Fidlock buckle is this little magnetic thing that just kind of goes, like it magnetizes instead of using this traditional D-ring. So that's interesting that they didn't use that for this helmet. We've still got the emergency straps, which is awesome. So these goggles are like off-road goggles, right? Like if I do this, they'll come off. Okay, so we're off-road status. Okay, so now we've got the goggles here, and we have all these visors. Is that all you do? And you just pull it, or what? Oh! Is that magnetized? Hold on. Magnets, my guy, yes. All right, hold on, remove before flight, that's funny. Okay. What is this one, blue? So you just, fam. That's cool, and then what, you just lock it on? That I like a lot. And I guess you just gotta line this up, kind of like off-road goggles. And that stuff is sealed onto there. Something I'm not a huge fan of, we have tool to, oh wait, we don't need that. We don't need a tool for that. Oh. Okay, I don't care about that. I was gonna say that it looks like you need a tool to remove this, and you probably do to remove it, but you still can adjust it without a tool. That's all I care about. I'm not gonna be removing these or anything. And actually, I like the idea of the tooled removal for the visor, because that way you have, like, I would feel more secure about the visor being locked. Okay, I wanna feel what this thing feels like when I put it on my head. So I ordered a medium in this Berserker. I wear a medium in my Atlas 2.0. So I'm interested to see what the fit difference is. Whoa, that seems tight. Like super tight. But then it feels right when it's on. Damn. All right, boys. All right, what do you guys think? So, as far as what I can see, when I have the visor all the way up, I can just barely see it in my peripheral. It really reminds me a lot of the Icon variant. And then I can push it down more. For you guys that have never ridden with a variant or another helmet with a visor, it is so nice when like the sun's going down. You can do this like lean forward thing and it blocks the sun out. So if I wanna, let's say I wanna breathe or something, oh, that feels fine. That feels exactly like I want it to. So I'm stopped at a red light, I do this, I can breathe, I can look around, and then start going again, and it fits right back on. Does that fit on right? Yeah, that's already on. Okay. So when I saw the Berserker at first, this is one of the things I was worried about, is like, you don't have that visor. You can't crack it open or anything like that, so it's kind of just like off-roady style, but I have an off-road helmet and goggles, and when I'm putting it on, you have to like thread the goggles in, but these just sit, if you guys can see from this camera, you just boop, and they're on, boop, they're down. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see what it's like taking it off. And granted, this helmet hasn't been worn in or anything yet. Woohoo! That is a toit, very toit helmet. All right, so be careful. If you wear the right size, it's probably gonna be really tight to get on, but once it's on, it feels really good. So let's look at visor options. We got clear. I've got this reflective blue right here. We've got like a smoke. Oh, this is like that reflective chromey type chameleon look. This is that orange for the night. Might as well just take all these off so we can actually see through them. Cool. Then we have, I assume this one's like gold or something like that. I like this one a lot. Nah, this is my favorite. So this like chrome fire one is going to match perfectly with my Atlas 2.0 carbon because it's got the same shield on it. Matter of fact, I want them to match. Can I take this off here? And then boop. Simple as that, my guy. All right. This is the Atlas 2.0 that I'm talking about. So look at that look. I'm kind of thinking that I'm gonna use this helmet as my like low profile helmet. I'm not gonna put any GoPros on it. It's literally just gonna be to ride around in. Then I can modify the hell out of my Carbon 2.0, and then that way, this will be my first ride situation where I do the bike reviews, and this will be like, hey, Chase wants to run to the grocery store and look like a badass. Okay, all right, enough of Atlas 2.0. We all know about Atlas 2.0. If you haven't seen, there's a review online by some dude named Chaseontwowheels. Okay, so Berserker. Let's see what we got. We have integrated magnetic goggles. That's so we do know it is a magnet. Carbon fiber shell, that same T300 aerospace grade carbon fiber. It's DOT ECE, purpose built for extreme strength and durability, stylistic versatility. Very fun. Airflow and ventilation control. Okay, so strategically positioned open vents. You can stay cool and breathe easy with a minimal wind noise. All right, so that means what? We have, okay, we have an open and close on the front. It looks like the side vents are closed. Trying to see in there. Those look closed. Okay, so it looks like kind of like an Atlas 2.0. We've got air control up front. Oh, that's cool. So they have a short and a long chin curtain. This one seems kind of long. You guys, can you tell that? This one seems pretty long, so I guess this would be their cold weather version, so minimalized airflow underneath, which is gonna be absolutely clutch for in-helmet audio. Okay, and it's compatible with Shockwave, right? Of course, that's Ruroc's thing. So if you guys don't know, this little cavity right here, should have one, yeah. They make a Bluetooth unit called a Shockwave, and what it basically does is give your helmet Bluetooth abilities. So you'll have like little headphones and a microphone inside the helmet that there are like already built spots for. You can plug that little thing in right here, it screws in, and then you can link that up to your phone. Now you can take calls, listen to music, and Shockwave's only like 150 bucks. So compared to like a upper grade Senna or a Cardo unit, it's gonna be way cheaper. I think that's it. I think that's all the things. I am very excited to ride in this thing. So my curiosities right now, having not ridden in it, are what is it like wearing goggles while riding? Like I've said, I've ridden in a dirt bike helmet, but I've never ridden in a dirt bike helmet on the road. Like if I did some off-road stuff on my WR or in a side-by-side, I would always wear my off-road helmet. But I've never, you know, gotten on my supermoto, ridden around. I mean, you can ride with this like with any bike you want. So I'll be reviewing this soon. Things I'm personally gonna be looking for, how is the wind resistance or drag with this? Specifically, when you look up, you know, and you're going down the road, is this gonna yank your head back? The Icon variant did have that. You could feel that it wasn't as streamlined as a regular helmet. Secondly, as you guys know, I'm gonna be looking for wind noise because that's a big deal for me, you know, specifically, or if you're a motor vlogger out there and you wanna use this as your helmet, what does it sound like inside the helmet? So yeah, wind noise, how is it like wearing goggles, the wind resistance. I think that's gonna be the main things I'm looking for in this helmet. You know, like is it going to fit everything I need it to be? I don't know if I'll make it my official first ride helmet because I just got my Carbon Atlas 2.0, so I'm probably gonna be rocking that thing out for a while, but I'm curious about this. This is pretty cool. All right, guys, so that is an unboxing of Ruroc's Berserker kind of adventure helmet. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think about this, and if I need to be looking for anything specific in my review for you guys, let me know, and that way I can be, you know, while I'm riding around in it, I can get a feel for what it is you're looking for and hopefully get you some answers on that. Don't know when the review is going to be. You guys know that I don't like putting quick reviews out. You know, I need time. I need time to put some miles in one of these and really see how it is. You know, I want to take one of these around town to see how that is, but then I also want to take it like up to the mountains. I want to do a longer trip. So we're going to be doing all that kind of stuff in this thing. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys are excited as I am about the Ruroc Berserker. Super amped on that. Cannot wait to go ride in this thing. So guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you enjoy motorcycle content, I invite you to subscribe to this channel because we make a ton of it here. And I will see you guys on the next video. If If you guys want to see some fancy photos of this thing, I'm sure by the time this video goes up, I will have probably posted some over on my Instagram at C2Pics. So that's all I got. We'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Outro crew, let me know what visor color you like the most. Clear doesn't count, nobody likes clear. So we got blue, black, chameleon, night vision, gold, and red. Also, I need to make my cool camera shot, so I'm gonna go do that of this helmet and then we'll go from there. Okay, thank you for getting to the end. Love you guys long time. Goodbye.